Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to register, how to navigate, how to withdraw, and how to become an agent on Seller Anchor app, also known as Emma app, for those of you that already know the app. So I would advise you not to skip any part of this video, because I am going to be sharing with you guys is a secret strategy that I am using to cash out at least $20 to $30 in a day or two from this particular app. So if you know that you're ready to get started and to make money with me, then I would advise you not to skip any part of this video. Let's get started. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, so everything shared with you in this particular video is based on my own personal experience. So I would advise you to make your own research before you get started. If you are coming from my WhatsApp group, you're going to find the link to get started in the what's it called, in the message description. But if you're watching this video from YouTube, you're going to find the link pinned in the comment section or in the group description. So once you tap on the link, anywhere that you're going to find the video, right, it is going to take you to your Chrome browser, which is this place that you're seeing on your screen. So once you get to your browser, this is what you're going to do first. You can see this place where they say my invitation code, copy. You copy this place that you're seeing, this red arrow sign, you copy. Then after copying it, you tap on this download button that you're seeing below. And once you tap on this download button, it is going to bring out this particular interface for you. Now you can see here where they wrote enjoy and earn at the same time. Right now you see where they said pro version for women, public version for everybody. Okay, now please, if you're a lady, I would advise you to tap on this pro version for women. Do you understand? So I am going to be showing you guys two different ways that you can use to download this particular app. So once you tap on this pro version for women, it is now going to bring you to this other interface. Now look at this, they said advanced version, more features recommended, standard version, more stable. So you tap on this advanced version, more features, right? So once you tap on it, you are going to find this other notification up. So once you get this message where they're telling you download file details, if you want you can tap on it. Do you understand? But if not, you can just, you know what I'm saying, like wait until it has finished downloading. Now just in case you get, like, maybe you when you tapped on this download now and you saw this particular message, and maybe you got carried away or something happened, you get, and you did not see when they told you that your file has finished downloading. Now this is how to look for that particular file that you downloaded. Hey guys, sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, so then after they might have told you that downloading details and all of that. Now once it has finished downloading, this is what you're going to see: open. Now once you tap on this open, you can install. But just in case, like I said, maybe you did not see when they sent you this particular message here on your screen, all you just have to do is tap on this three dash icon that you're seeing this arrow pointing at. Once you tap on that three dash icon, you tap on this download button, okay, this particular download button. Then now it is now going to take you to this other interface. Okay, now you can see here where they wrote this Seller 1.3.9 and all of that. Here where they see this sign up APK, the first one that just finished downloading. Tap on this three dash icon and it's going to take you to this particular interface. Yeah, you can see where they say Seller Anchor. Do you want to install this application? Then you can now go ahead and install the app. Okay, but now let me make this thing very, very clear. If you're here and maybe you don't have space on your phone, it is not going to download this way. Okay, you cannot download it through this particular way. It is not going to download if you don't have space on your phone. Or if not, just go first off, go over to your setting, your phone setting, and search for download from unknown sources, okay, and turn it on. Then after turning it on, and maybe when you now have space on your phone, you can now go back and not install it. But just in case that maybe you've tried all of these things and it's not working, now this is how you are going to do it. Come back to this interface where you tapped on the first time. Just come back to this first interface. See this first place that you first of all see before you start downloading from your Chrome browser, right? Now once you just come back here, you tap on this public version for everyone. Now you can see this Play Store logo, right? Just tap on it and it's going to redirect you to your Play Store where you have to install the app. Now as you can see from my own end here, I've already installed this app. That's why you are seeing open Emma voice chat and Meet open. But in your own case, you'll be seeing install, right? So all you just have to do is just install the app very fast. Then after you're done installing, you head back into the app. Now this is what you're going to see once you what's it called, once you open the app. Now you see this particular place where they say start now, Google and Facebook. Please and please do well to sign up with Facebook. Don't what am I saying, sign up with Google. Do not sign up with Facebook. Please sign up with Google only. Don't tap on the start now, don't tap on Facebook, just sign up with Google. Now once you tap on sign up with Google, it's going to bring out the list of emails that you have on your phone. You pick the particular email that you want to make use of, add your username, date of birth, profile picture, and your gender. Now I'm sorry that I forgot to like record that part when I was registering, because I already had an account already, so I cannot create another account because I will get banned. Okay, but it's very very simple. After you pick sign up with Google, you pick the particular email, you add your username, date of birth, female or male, your gender. Okay, then afterwards you are in the app. So let's talk about how to register. Now, once you get to the app, this is the first thing that you're going to see. Like, this is the first interface that you're going to see once you get to the app. Now, this is what you're going to do. You tap on this particular button where this arrow is pointing at. Okay. Now, once you tap on that particular button, it is now going to take you to your profile. Okay. Just like you can see, this is my profile. My picture is already verified. Now, in any app, the first thing that you need to do is to verify your picture. So how do you verify your picture? You tap on this particular arrow button, like this arrow sign, this place that this red circle is circling here. Yeah, tap on that particular sign to take you to this particular interface. So once you tap on that particular place, now this is where you're going to see. Now you can see where they wrote 3-person verification done. Okay. Now your one is going to be showing not verified. So you tap on it. Now how to verify is very simple. Just put your face in the camera and that is just it. You have verified your account. Okay. Now add your username. See, listen. What your coaches are not telling you is this. In every dating app, a complete profile picture matters a lot. Okay. So this is what you're going to do. Add a nickname. When they say nickname, not your real name, just add something that is like very fine. Do you understand? Add a nickname, your date of birth, English, like bio. Like a bio is just like a short description about you, so you can just write anything there and pick your task, like what you know that you can do best. Okay, then once your account is verified and you've done this thing, that means you've passed that particular stage. Now then all you just have to do is go back to your profile. Now let me show you guys. Let's talk about how to earn on this particular app, because now once you're done, you come back to your profile and tap on this your daily tax. This place now where they wrote daily tax, tap on it. Now if you can, like, if you notice very well, you know that says, from what we've been seeing here, there's nothing like refer here. Okay, so I'm going to talk about that for agencies. So you tap on this your daily task and it's going to take you to this particular interface. Now you guys, this is the most amazing part. Now look, just read this thing carefully. They said make one call which lasts for over 20 minutes and you're going to earn 6,066 coins. That is $1, because in this app 6,066 coins is $1. So imagine just making one call that lasts for just 20 minutes and you've earned $1 already. Like, listen, let me explain this thing to you guys. Number one is this: the app is paying you for like taking call. So this plus 66 plus 66,000 coins plus 666 are extra bonus that this app is giving you. So this app is paying you to take calls and you are still getting extra bonuses for doing that particular thing. Okay, so imagine already once you take a call that lasts for 20 minutes on a norm in this particular app, that is over $3 for you. Now this app is still going to be giving you an additional $1 for doing that. Here they said download the pro app to unlock 20,000 coin, which is around $3 plus. Okay, so before you can even finish doing this already, trust me, you can withdraw your money in this particular app. So it is very very simple. Do you get? Now don't snooze. Now if you know that you're here and maybe you are an agent or you want to become an agent, okay, and you know that you have a lot of girls, not having one or two girls, okay, now that you know you have a lot of girls that are ready to work. Now this is what you're going to do. Just type I want to become an agent in the comment section and I'm going to reply to you. Just type I want to become an agent, or I am ready to become an agent, and I'm going to reply. So now here they said make 3 calls which last over 10 minutes and earn 3,033 coins. So any money you earn this app, you are earning money for taking calls on the norm, and this app is still going to pay you an additional money for doing that. So this is literally one simple app that I know that if you know what you're doing, you're going to earn money very fast. Now, don't forget that I said that I'm going to be sharing with you guys one tip that helps me to cash out money over $20 to $30 daily or in a day or two from this particular app. So stay tuned, because I am going to be sharing this particular secret to people that are going to watch this video to the end. But now let's go back to our profile. Let me show you guys another way to earn on this particular app. Now, this is not a Nigerian app, and once it's a new day in their own country, your daily task is going to be set. So make sure that you're working hand in hand with their own time, okay, so that you can be able to like always finish your daily task, like finish all of those your free coins that are going to give you before the next day reach, right? So make sure that whenever you know that you're ready to work on this app, you go online and make sure that you earn something tangible, okay? So that is basically that. Now let's go back to your profile. Let me show you guys another way to earn, which is by replying to messages, because yes, you can also reply to messages on this particular app and earn, but a lot of people don't know about this. So let me show you guys something. So you come back to your profile and tap on this chat setting. You can see here what they said chat setting circled with red. Tap on that chat setting and it's going to take you to this particular interface. Now look at this. They said 360 coin per 1 minute, right? Now as you can see, my own level is still 0, because now the more you take course in this app, now the more your level is going to increase. Do you understand? Now once you get to level 2, yeah, you're going to be earning 420 per 1 minute. Once you get to level 3, you earn 480, 520, 700 and thereabouts. So make sure that you're always taking calls. You understand? Because the more you take calls, the more your level is going to be increasing. And so in less than a day, if you're serious, you can get to level 10. Okay, and that is like big money for you. Imagine you replying like somebody's message you now. Maybe somebody that maybe you've called with, right? And the person message and maybe you reply with something like hello dear, and that means you've earned over 1,000 coin per just reply messages. So just take this app seriously and it's going to really work out for you. So let me show you guys another way that you can use to increase your exposure on the app. Now you go back to your profile and tap on this my exposure. You can see here now where it's being circled. Tap on this my exposure. Okay, now once you tap on that my exposure, it's going to take you to this interface. Now they said, see, my exposure is ordinary. Do you understand? Match call 0, like just literally 0, because like this is a new account, okay, because I had to get my stats to verify this so I can show you guys something. So now once you scroll down, now you see where they wrote this how to increase exposure view. Now this is a 30 seconds video on one of the easy ways to like get callers, get messages on this app. So you can just tap on it to watch the video. Then after that, you go back to your profile. Let me show you guys how you can now start taking calls, like where to tap if you want to take calls on this particular app. So once you get back to your profile, tap on this particular that first button now that arrow is pointing. And once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now they said match mode is off. First thing first, please, whenever you want to take call, make sure you're okay. Don't lie down on the bed when you want to take call, you will get banned. Don't put on like revealing outfits, okay? That one is 2. Make sure that there's no child close to you whenever you want to take calls, because you must be alone if you want to take calls on this particular app, okay? And like make sure like that you're okay, like you're well put together. So you guys, this is how much I've made. Sorry, I've withdrawn so far on Sela Anchor app. I'm calling it Sela Anchor because if you download from Chrome browser, it is Sela Anchor, but if you download from your Play Store, it is Emma app. Right now, this app is not available on iOS yet, to the best of my knowledge. And recently, the app changed its withdrawal policy for Nigerians. You can only withdraw using USDT. Okay, now I know a lot of you here don't like anything trading or crypto and all of that. Now that is why I've created a simple step-by-step video tutorial. Now this video tutorial is going to help you, show you how to register on this particular app. Now listen, on this app you don't even need to sell your USDT, just like you sell P2P on Binance or Bybit and the rest. All you just have to do is just once you receive your USDT, you can withdraw straight to your local bank account, okay, without even selling, because the app is going to convert it by yourself and you can withdraw. And you don't need BVN for you to verify your account. All you need is just your NIN. So if you've been looking for something like that, or you want that kind of an app, check um the video on the top right hand side of your screen now to go watch that. Okay, so now the tip I said I was going to share, you guys listen. Your first day on any app matters. So when you register, please and please, because most of us we are Yoruba, Igbo, Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya and all of that, please don't use your native name. Like pick a nickname which is a pet name, anything, okay, but don't use your native name. That's one. Secondly, please and please make sure you add a beautiful profile picture. Just like the same way a beautiful profile picture is going to attract somebody to come talk to you on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all of that. That's the same way a beautiful profile picture works over here for you to get calls and messages. So make sure to use a good profile picture. Now, please, your first day on this app matters. If you are able to maybe reach up to like level 5 or 6, trust me, you get calls back to back until you are even tired of taking calls. Okay, so do everything possible for you to reach up to level 4 or 5, because once you do this, even like for that particular day, even if you maybe you go offline, stay offline for like 1 week or 2 weeks, it is not going to count. Any day you come back online, you will definitely get calls. The reason why it looks like maybe most of you register on apps like this and you don't get calls like the way your mates or your friends do, your first day on every, see, when they said first impression matters, it is very very true, because once you register and that first day you are very very active, you are telling the app that you are active and you want to take calls, and they will bring calls your way. Having said this brings us to the end of today's video tutorial about Seller Anchor app. So if you have any question whatsoever when you register, or you're finding it difficult to navigate through or do anything, always do it to drop your questions in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, I am Coach Stephanie, and over here I share tips on how to make money online, level up, and in fact literally everything concerning how to make money online, from paying survey websites to paying game apps to paying foreign UK USA site that pays you in naira, dollars, pounds. So if you've been looking for a way to make money in 2026 without paying anything, showing your face online or selling anything, then this is the channel for you. Now do well to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification. Yes, it is totally free to subscribe. You're not paying any money, so just subscribe now and turn on your bell notification, because I post videos like this, okay, daily on this channel every evening. Now subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification, like this video, and do well to drop me a very nice comment. Drop a very nice comment. And yes, one more thing before I go. If you want to join my WhatsApp community where I drop updates back to back every day, now check the pinned message in the comment section for the link to join my WhatsApp group. Alright guys, bye for now my friends. See you guys later. And if you need other apps whereby you can make money online without doing too much or selling anything, then do well to check the videos that you're going to be seeing on your screen immediately after this video. Bye for now my friends.